Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. Today, I'm working with buttons and 12-gauge wire. I have my flat nose pliers, my round nose pliers, and my wire cutters. I'm going to cut two 12-inch pieces of my 12-gauge wire. I'm placing my round nose pliers about 4 inches down my wire, and I'm going to make a very narrow U. I want to make sure that my wire will go through these two buttonholes. I'm placing my pliers at the base because I'm trying to stabilize my wire so that I can start my wire spiral that I'm going to make. I'm just going to make 2 wire spirals. So this is the first one that I'm making. The hardest part is getting it started. Once you get it started, it's pretty easy to just finish wrapping it around. And then I stop about a 1/2 inch of wire left, and I make a loop so that I could attach my ear hook when it's time. For my long wire, I'm going to start the spiral from the bottom. I hope you're enjoying this video, and we have a Tuesday live subscriber chat on Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern, so I invite you to join us. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, leave me a comment. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.